Hi, I'm Gina Nichols from Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland, Texas with another how-to video. I am currently sitting in a 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 3. The driver and passenger seat both have massage capabilities, and I'm going to show you how to turn them on and adjust them. Okay, from your main screen, you're going to go down here where it says Comfort. And then you're going to go up to the top where it says Seats. This right here is actually if you want to adjust your lumbar without the massaging. If you do want the massaging, you're just going to press the massaging button on. And then you can do rock climb. This over here gives you an illustration of what it's going to do. And it has different ones. You pick whichever one you want. High, medium, low, or turn it off. Obviously, driver and passenger side. I hope this video helps someone. Give me a call, Gina Nichols, 817-845-6398, or come and see me, 9610 West Interstate 20 in Eastland, Texas. Thanks.